come into all fours. So what that means is you need to have your wrists always aligned underneath your shoulders and your knees always aligned under the hips. Your hands are shoulder width distance and your knees are hip width distance. What we are going to do is drop the spine down as you lengthen upwards with the chin and the tailbone. On the exhale, you'll round through the shoulders, pull the belly in and bring your chin to your chest as you look to your navel. Come to a neutral spine.
So feel very strongly with your hands on the mat. Now tuck your toes. Make sure you engage your navel and slowly lift yourself up. When you lift yourself up, your focus is to lift your hips back and up. So lengthening your spine. Keeping that position of your spine completely straight, you're going to press your heels into the floor.
Begin to lie down on your back and place your heels as close as possible to your butt and hold your ankles. Make sure your thumb is outside, and when you're ready, slowly inhale and lift your hips all the way up. So try and reach as high as possible, but your breath should be in the normal range, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths.
Get into a box position where your wrist, your elbows and your armpit are in a straight line, your hip and your knee are in a straight line. Now take your right knee in between your hands and stretch your left leg out. Okay? To stretch your left leg out, tuck your toes, pull your leg out, pull the knee back and then stretch. Again tuck, pull and then stretch your ankle out. Okay, see to that you don't do this tilting, then your arch will not be more. Press the palm on your butt and then push your thigh muscles down towards the mat. Place your palms in between your legs and then push your palms, drop your neck. Create a space. Don't hunch your lower back and upper back and then go back. Feel somebody is pulling your neck and then arch. From up and then arch. Drop your neck down. Stay here for 2 to 3 breaths nicely.
Place the hand on the hip. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Inhale, breathe through the chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale, slowly with control, bring your head down. Now, grab hold of the toes with the middle index and thumb. Inhale, lift the chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bring your forehead down. PADANGUSTHASANA. Take slow 5 deep breaths here.
So you inhale, drop your head down, make sure your neck is loose, shoulders back, scapula together, chest open, and come forward and up. Now you're going to lift your knees off the mat. You lift your knees off the mat, you lift your chest up. This requires a lot of strength to hold here. So if you're not comfortable, do the variation one where you keep your knees on the mat.
Now interlock your hands under your pubic bone. Tuck your toes inside. Lift both the legs up and then your neck up. Nice strengthening for your lower back. Your lower abdomen squeezes to a greater extent. Keep breathing.